Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Wednesday, February 18th. What do we see here in the Russell? We're seeing the continuation of a sideways move. The other indices, as we looked at in the advanced videos, have different characteristics, but here in the Russell, it's a market that wants to go higher, but it's struggling. And so it's going to be important over the next 3 days to see that kind of follow through to the upside. That's what it implies, but can it get the job done? Let's take a look at what's going on in Bitcoin. Here's a market that's really struggling. The bias is a market that wants to go higher. The paper or the follow through, we're just not seeing it as sellers came into that market, and it did rally above its buy level, but it failed as it broke to the downside. It implies unchanged to lower in that market. And when we look at what's going on with treasuries, now here's the 10-year note. It rallied, got stronger, but yields went higher and it backed, so prices back off. And that implies now further movement to the downside. So look for an inside to lower movement in that market. What about what's going on, though, with copper? You got the Chinese New Year going on this week, and anyone celebrating that, I hope you're having a wonderful week. I don't expect much to happen here with copper. There isn't a shortage. There's not a supply issue globally, and we're looking for an inside type day. I don't look for this to crash lower, maybe trade a bit lower, but look for an inside type day in that market. Crude oil, we got a lot of crude oil, and that's what this is showing us. It's balance. Look for an inside a little bit lower in that market. Over in nat gas, here we have a market that traded above its buy level. That dollar difference is $600 a contract. Look for a sideways move in that market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.